Hello, I'm Catherine Nagy.
And I'm Chelsea Schaefer.
And tonight we're going to be discussing sugar bear hair, what some are calling the modern day fish oil. Sugar bear hair is a biotin supplement that claims to help your hair grow more rapidly. Such prolific influencers as Kylie Jenner have been seen touting this product on their social media platforms, encouraging young people to partake in excess biotin consumption. But the question is, does it work?
Some common misconceptions associated with biotin supplements is that taking a biotin supplement will combat hair loss due to a poor diet, and that will support hair growth by producing fatty acids that support scalp health. They also claim that essential fatty acid deficiency results in dry skin, brittle hair, and dandruff, all of which can lead to hair loss. With the first claim, biotin is found in many foods, anything from cheese to cauliflower to meat, and we don't require large amounts. So it's almost impossible for any individual eating any food to be deficient in biotin. With the second claim, biotin does not produce fatty acids. It acts as a cofactor in the synthesis of fatty acids. So that claim is just false. Associated with the third claim, dry skin, brittle hair, and dandruff are mild and very nonspecific symptoms that have many possible causes. And the fact that essential fatty acid deficiency is so rare means that it's probably not the culprit of your dandruff. It's also a waste of money. In conclusion, with all these facts, a 3-month supply is $90, and that's the time that many people claim to see results. This customer also thinks it works and spreads the word, which means that they tell their friends, and their friends buy it, and they go on their social media talking about it, which gives more money to the company and takes the money from the customer. And then this could translate to misuse of other harmful supplements, because while biotin does not have an upper limit and is water soluble, many vitamins are offered in supplements do have an upper limit and could really harm you, such as iron and selenium.
An actual biotin deficiency is extremely rare. True biotin deficiency, which is deficiency of biotinidase, the enzyme that helps process biotin, only is caught in babies. So it's such a severe condition, all infants that are born in professional settings are checked for biotin deficiency. So if you had one, you would absolutely know. The only way you can contract one is by consuming an ungodly amount of egg whites, raw egg whites, which takes in so much albumin that your body's unable to process all of it, and it blocks the biotin processing. So either you're consuming a stupid amount of egg whites or you were born with biotin deficiency. In either case, it's fixable and not by biotin supplements. Biotin is just a coenzyme that's involved in the carboxylation of a lot of different molecules in the body. What sugar bear hair claims is that it assists in the building of fatty acids, which helps promote hair growth. In actuality, the only vague science behind this claim is that biotin works as a coenzyme in the conversion of acetyl coenzyme A to malonyl coenzyme A, which works in fatty acid elongation, not generation, and that does promote some hair growth factors. In actuality, what they're kind of implying is that it will help with essential fatty acid deficiency, which is a very rare condition, almost exclusively caused by poor diet. And as Chelsea mentioned, it's very easy to get essential fatty acids from a normal diet. So fixing a diet is much better than taking a bunch of supplements for no reason. In actual hard to cure essential fatty acid deficiency, it's treated with pancreatic enzyme replacements. So it seems like the only people who are claiming that biotin will help grow your hair is sugar bear hair. And now we turn to Camille Goodwin with
the mechanism.
Okay, so I'm Camille Goodwin with the mechanism. So, as we learned from anchorwoman Katie, the coenzyme is biotin for this reaction, and it helps by actually transferring this carbon dioxide to the acetocoenzyme A carboxylase, which is the enzyme of interest here when we're talking about fatty acid elongation. And so what this carboxylase does is that it will transfer this CO2 to the acetocoenzyme A, and that turns it into melanocoenzyme A, and then the entire reaction can proceed from there to elongate fatty acids. So essentially, biotin just has an assisting role in this process. It does not take the crucial shot. So if you wanted to affect this process, biotin would actually be the most illogical place to start. So because of its such a small role, making a biotin supplement is actually pretty useless for most of the population because we don't need it. So for the too long didn't watch summary here, Sugar Bear Hair's claims are vague and won't actually apply to most of the population. Encouraging self-diagnosis and self-medication is unethical, and extra biotin is excreted from the body, so luckily but also sadly, supplementation usually produces no visible effect, positive or negative, and taking large amounts of biotin, according to the FDA, hot take, like those found in these supplements, so that's 5,000 to 10,000 micrograms, can actually interfere with certain blood tests and cause false positives and false negatives. I'm Kimbo Goodwin, and this has been 6 Minutes.